If you guys don't see any videos from me in a while, it'll be because I got salmonella for licking my finger here. So don't do what I'm doing. Well, hey everybody, it's Angie and from Woods Online, and today I'm going to make a super easy recipe. We kind of got the munchies and we want something sweet. And this is not a healthy recipe. If you're looking for a healthy recipe, you need to leave because there's nothing healthy about what I'm about to do here. But if you don't care and you just want a yummy cookie, I'm about to make a cake mix cookie recipe. Super easy, only a few ingredients, and it tastes yummy and it's easy to make, so check it out. So first what we're gonna do, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and then you don't have to use a stand mixer for this, but I'm just being lazy. So, and I had one and the bowl was clean for once, so yeah, that's what we're doing. So what you do is you take a cake mix, and it honestly, I'm using yellow, but it doesn't matter what cake mix you use. If you want, you can do all kind of different combinations. Today, I'm using a yellow cake mix with chocolate chips. But if you wanted to, you could use like a devil's food or a chocolate cake mix and put white chocolate chips in it, or peanut butter chips, or put chocolate chips in it and make it chocolate chocolate. There's so many different variations on this recipe that, you let your imagination go wild. But I was in the mood for some chocolate chip cookies, so that's what I'm gonna make. So all you do is take one cake mix, this one's yellow, add to your bowl. Add to that half a cup, yep, it's a half, a half a cup of vegetable oil. I'm just using regular old cooking oil. Like I said, I think it's yeah, just regular old vegetable oil. Like I said, this isn't going to be healthy, so you don't want to eat this very often. And then, hold on, I forgot one of my ingredients. Duh. And then you need 2 eggs. So just put all your ingredients in there together, and just give it a little thing. And while it's doing its thing, we'll sit here and just look at each other. Anyway, you turn it up a little bit if you want. It goes faster that way. Once it gets nice and mixed up, you can actually open this up and then add about a cup of chocolate chips if you're going to make the recipe I'm making. Just pour them right in there. And at this point you can just stir them in by hand, or you can just kind of like put your stand mixer on a low, and so it just sounds crazy in there, doesn't it? But it doesn't need to be on high or you'll break your chocolate chips up too much. Just put it on a nice low speed. Just incorporate those chocolate chips and then you're done. Now I'm kicking myself because all my spatulas are in the dishwasher. Hold on. Oh, actually they're clean. So we're just gonna grab a spatula out of the clean dishwasher and just get that off of there. Okay. And the recipe I found was online, because I Googled this. That's how I cook. I Googled it. And they said to use parchment paper, which I think would be the easiest thing. But since I don't have any parchment paper, I sprayed just a little bit of cooking spray on this pan. And I'm just going to take 2 spoons and put them on the pan. Come on over here. let's just try one and see what we think. Wanna try one? Here, bite. This recipe is a keeper.